Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Today I'll be reviewing Momo Slime Shop. I bought from her November 4th restock and I received it on November 10th, so the shipping took less than a week. I did receive some extras from her. I got 2 pieces of candy flavored guava, which I loved a lot. And I got a little borax baggie, and along with that I got a thank you card and her Momo Slime logo on the back. Just to give you guys a heads up, the receipt does say that I ordered 2 slimes, but one of them, the PD spread, is for my friend, so I put that aside for her. The one that I'll be reviewing today is the Very Berry Cake Pop. Her 6-ounce containers for this slime was priced at $11.99, while her 8-ounce, which is the one I bought, was priced at $13.99. I think these are fairly reasonable prices for her being a famous slime shop. The container it arrived in was a hard plastic, transparent 8-ounce container. I think a lot of the famous slime shops are moving towards this all clear, hard plastic containers, and I am totally for it. Oh my gosh, guys, when I touched this slime, I was completely astonished by it because of how glossy it was and how thick it was. I think this is definitely a white base glue, and it has white jumbo foam beads and pink and red foam beads as well. I think she pays a lot of attention to details in her slimes, and it does have some strawberry foamo slices in it as well. I've never played with jumbo foam beads before, so this is my first time, and the initial crunch it has is very different from any that I felt before, and I actually like it a lot, so I'm going to buy some jumbo foam beads for myself when I make slime. And it also is scented Captain Crunch berries, and I love berries, so this scent is very soothing to me. Overall, I'm going to give this slime an 11 out of 10 because the scent was on point, and I love the jumbo foam beads in it. Since this was a fairly short YouTube video, I decided to add some of my Instagram slime videos that I've made and add it at the end of this video just so you guys can have a little bit more of slime ASMR. And if you guys don't already know where to find me, I'll put it down in the links below, but I am on Instagram at lilykoislime. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and see you on the next one.